हॉस्टल लाइफ कैसी होती है? अगर आप रियल रिव्यू चाहते हो, then let me tell you my exact experience. No sugarcoat. So hi everyone, I'm Maheshwari Das and I'm a student of Amity University Noida and I'm going to tell you everything about our hostel.
So this is gate number 4 where all hosteliers enter from, and this is the main entry of the hostel which is biometric. इधर हमारे वार्डन्स बैठते हैं जहाँ वेंडिंग मशीन्स भी है, माइक्रोवेव्स है, केटल है, इंडक्शन है. देयर इज लिफ्ट फैसिलिटी एंड स्टडी रूम्स एज वेल. लड़कियों के लिए सिर्फ एसी रूम्स अवेलेबल है. दिस इज वन कॉमन लॉबी विद 4 सिंगल रूम्स अटैच्ड टू इट. दिस इज वन वॉश बेसिन, one kitchenette, one mini fridge, one geyser, and 2 washrooms attached to it. This is a single room with a bed, with a cupboard, with a study table and window and a chair. This is the fan and this is the AC halt.
So there is free laundry for all the hostelites and the laundry didis come and take your clothes and you have to go to the laundry to bring back your clothes.
So this is one canteen downstairs. There are 2 others like this as well. You can eat wherever you want. There are many eateries available as you can see, such as Amul, Domino's, Subway, Pitta Pit, Basil, and so much more. There is a retail supermarket for all the students as well, and a fruit shop. There are 2 ATMs as well. There is a bookshop available. This is the hostel office. This is the parents' lounge. For boys, there are both AC and non-AC hostels available. AC rooms are the same as the girls, while non-AC are double-seated. AC rooms cost 2 lakh per year, while non-AC rooms cost 1 lakh, and food is not included in this.
There is free Wi-Fi for all students in Amity, and it is actually sometimes it is fast, sometimes it is slow, so it's average. It's okay. So now I have the entry and exit timings. So it's same for boys and girls mostly. For going out, you have to apply for an online out pass, and there are 2 types of out pass. One is day out pass, one is night out pass. For day out pass, you can just apply, and it will a message will go to your parents. But for night out pass, you will have to get an approval and you will have to scan your QR code for every out pass and you can enter till 7 p.m. It is same for both boys and girls. And about the hostel entry timings, for undergraduate kids it is 9 p.m. For postgraduate kids it is 9:30 p.m. You have to enter. So that's everything about the hostel, guys. Thank you.